Greetings everyone, I'm Michael and this is Credit Kuri, where we talk about credit, finance, and investments. Today's video will cover what credit score is needed to buy a home. You might only begin to consider your credit score when you look for a new home, but the required credit score to buy a home is essential if you want to reduce the amount of money you pay the lender in interest. You will find it easier to get a mortgage with lower monthly payments with an excellent credit score. But even if you don't have the ideal credit score, it is possible to secure the mortgage you need. If you have had some financial issues in the past, knowing the lowest credit score to buy a home will be vital. Today we have some excellent information for first-time home buyers. Let's look at some of the most crucial things to know. What is the minimal credit score to get a mortgage? With any mortgage, lenders set their own requirements, and if you're close to their minimal, you might struggle to be approved. With government-backed loan types, lenders are already prevented from accepting applicants below a specific credit score. Often, lenders will require more than the minimal, however. Let's look at the most common mortgage types and their minimal scores. Number 1, FHA Loans. Operated by the Federal Housing Administration, their absolute minimal credit score is 500 if you have a down payment of 10% or more. The minimal down payment of 3.5% is possible with a credit score of 580. Many lenders, however, will look for higher credit scores for the majority of potential homeowners. Number 2, VA Loans. The program operated by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs for current and former military personnel has no minimal credit score requirements. Most lenders, however, will want to see a credit score in the 600s. Number 3, USDA Loans. The U.S. Department of Agriculture has a program to help low and middle income families in rural areas. If you are in a qualifying area, they have no minimal credit score requirements. However, with a credit score over 640, you will find it a lot easier to get your mortgage approved. Number 4, conventional loans. These mortgages are not part of any government program. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, which are both sources for mortgage financing and reliable housing information, underwrites them, and so you must meet their guidelines. This means a minimal credit score of 620 is necessary when applying for a conventional loan. These required credit scores are the absolute minimal possible, and you should aim to have a credit score higher than the minimal before applying for a home loan. The current pandemic has also increased the minimum requirements from lenders. This has happened because of the increased application for home loans. What is considered a good credit score to buy a home? FICO breaks down the credit score into 5 categories, giving you a rough idea of what is considered good when applying for your finance. $800 or more is considered exceptional. $740 to $799 is very good. $670 to $739 is good. $580 to $669 is fair. Under $580 is very poor. Even if you have a great credit score, you shouldn't assume you will get the mortgage you want. Lenders factor in many other things when they look at your application. For example, if you have a lot of debt compared to your income, you might find it challenging to have your home loan approved no matter what your credit score. Before applying for a mortgage, you should ensure your credit score is at least in the good range. If you want to reduce your interest payments, you should try to push your score into the very good range with at least a 740. And that was our video. Do you have any experience using these loans? Share your story in the comments below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.